Hello everyone, I'm Chatruj Behra, subject matter expert from the 9cent.com. Welcome to the first session of World of Stainless Steel. Today we are going to discuss about the basic of stainless steel and its application. What makes the use of stainless steel as one of the highest material in the world? What are the causes of such a huge growth rate of it? Be it medical equipment, food processing, chemical, petrochemical, power generation, nuclear, transportation, everywhere we are witnessing widespread use of stainless steel. As the name implies, stainless or rust-proof steels are the unique name of the family of steel having more than 11% of chromium. The magic ingredient chrome allows for the formation of a tough, invisible, self-repairable chromium oxide film on the metal surface which is resistant to scratches and corrosion. The advantageous properties of stainless steel can be compared to standard plain carbon mild steel, which are higher corrosion resistance, higher cryogenic toughness, higher hot strength, aesthetically pleasing appearance, better recyclability and reuse, better mechanical properties, and higher ductility. These characteristics have made stainless steel as a primary material in medical, food processing, household, transporting, and much more critical application. Stainless steel are classified into 4 types depending upon their chemical composition and its uses. These are austenitic, ferritic, duplex, and martensitic. Out of which austenitic and ferritic stainless steel are commonly used. Stainless steel is made by given process route. First one is argon oxide decarborization route or AOD. Second one is vacuum oxide decarborization route or VOD. Third one is CLU route. The charge mix of stainless steel and MS scrap, sponge iron, ferrochrome with fluxes are made by the help of electrical furnace or induction furnace. Thereafter, chrome-rich molten metal transferred to AOD or VOD for further processing. In AOD or VOD, oxidation of carbon done by blowing oxygen, argon and nitrogen, followed by reduction of chromium oxide by adding aluminum or silicon. After getting the desired chemistry, molten metal taken to billet or slab caster for casting. Billet or slab of stainless steel then rolled as per the customer's requirement. So, the discussed characteristics make stainless steel as the prime choice where special applications like cryogenic treatment, corrosive media, heat resistance are required. You must have questions regarding the application of stainless steel. Let's discuss. Stainless steel is preferred in clean and sterile environments as it is simple to clean and does not easily corrode. Stainless steel is used in the production of wide range of medical equipment including surgical and dental implements, operation table, kidney dishes, MRI scanner, artificial lips, etc. White wood, body of freezer, drum of washing machine, dishwashers, refrigerator and filter of water purifier are made of stainless steel. In auto components, exhaust systems, grills and trims, catalytic converter, fuel tanks are made of stainless steel. Railways, metro rail and wagon for coal and sugar. Best examples are Delhi Metro and Mumbai Local where entire coaches are made of stainless steel. In kitchen, plates, knife, dustbin and other utensils are made of stainless steel. The development of stainless steel continue to fulfill the growing needs of industry sector such as the building, chemical, petrochemical, power generation, nuclear, aviation and food processing units. From the graph below, you will get a better picture of consumption pattern of stainless steel for different sectors. A detailed and precise analysis of sustainability of stainless steel makes its choice a logic one. This might explain why a society and government are becoming more conscious of environmental and economical factors. The growth rate in the use of stainless steel has been the highest of any material in the world. This was all about the brief introduction about stainless steel making. Thanks for watching. I'll share my more details in my upcoming videos.